Hello. Welcome to Ndebu's Lifestyle and Beauty Corner, a safest place where we talk beauty. We talk lifestyle, we talk body care, we talk skin care, we talk hair care, anything. And I'm so sorry it's been long. I've been going through a lot. We'll talk about that on my story times and all that, where I will tell you why I've been AWOL. And thank you so much, guys, for everybody that has been watching my videos and commenting and liking and subscribing. I thank you so much. So I still need your help so that the channel can grow. It's winter now, guys. As you can see, I'm dressing warm. Everybody that knows me knows I'm scared of coldness. So that's why I'm like this. So welcome, and please still take care of your skin. This is natural. I just did my eyebrows. That's all. And because of whatever I've been going through, I had a few pimples, but I'm trying. I will be talking about good oils for our skin and how they can help for skin to stay hydrated. But for now, guys, it's winter. We need to keep our skin hydrated as much as we can with the oils. But I have told you guys, and I'm still going to emphasize it, winter or summer, please put on your sunscreen SPF 50. And hopefully I will still make a video about mineral ones. Those are good. So we're going to talk about natural oils. But I've said it before on my other videos. You can go back and watch them. We can only use oils when we are inside the house, when we are not going out. When we are going out of the house, where you're going to be walking around on a direct sun and everything, because oil attracts the heat, and then that's where the pigmentation will be happening. Because once the skin attracts direct sunlight, then it triggers melanin, then there comes out what? Pigmentation. So the oils, because most of us, it's winter, we don't go out that much. We only go out, we go to work, and you come back at home and then you relax. So there's no need for you to be going out and all that. So the best way to use oils is when you are inside and at night. So most of us that don't even have life. So yeah, good oils for dry skin. But as I've said, it's winter, so every skin is dry. We need hemp seed oil, we need squalane oil, we need jojoba oil. Those three. Apricot kernel oil is very good. We need it for our skin because it's in winter, and in winter we need vitamin C inside and outside. So those are very good oils. Hemp seed oil, squalane oil, jojoba oil. And I have been using squalane oil. You can get it anywhere, even at Clicks. You can get jojoba oil at Clicks as well. But I am still saying it. Oils are good, and when you use them at night before you sleep. But you can't just put an oil and then go to bed. First, you do your skincare routine, and then you will do it. You put on your oils and everything. Then you wait for at least 2. You put on your products so that they can work properly, and stay maybe for 2 hours before you go to sleep after doing your skincare routine. Thank you so much, guys, for listening to me and having taken time to watch this video. And please, I'm still baking. Please subscribe to my channel, and then like and comment and ask me whatever you want to ask. And I'll try my lovely best to go and read and give it to you. I love you all. And please be safe. It's winter. Let's still stay inside the house and then keep warm. COVID is still there. I'll see you on my next video. Bye. small. So pretty. Look. This is so beautiful.